Nathan Wade now taking the stand. He's one of the top prosecutors working on that Georgia election interference case against former President Trump. And the allegations are that he's had an improper relationship with the district attorney. Let's listen.
Prior to filing this motion to disqualify, you and I were friends, correct?
Yes.
And in fact, I supported you when you ran for judge in 2016.
You did.
I wore your shirts. My kids wore your shirts.
Ms. Merchant,
Fines.
your personal opinions have no relevance.
Okay.
And I mean that in the best way.
That's completely fine.
Let's get to the point.
Thank you. No. Totally fine. Thank you. You filed for divorce from your wife on November 2nd, 2021?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And in that divorce proceeding, did you file answers, things such as interrogatories?
I did.
Okay. And so interrogatories are where you're responding to things that basically answers that the other side is asking?
Yes, ma'am.
And I've got your complaint for divorce. I'm just going to mark it for the record as Defendant's Exhibit 2. The first interrogatories that you answered, those were December 27th, 2021. Is that right?
Thereabout. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And in those, you were asked different things, but those are sworn. You actually swear to those. You verify them, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And so that verification is where you're swearing under oath that everything in it is true?
Yes, ma'am.
And let's see, you were asked if you had any documents which relate to the purchase of gifts by you to any person other than the defendant with whom you have or had a romantic relationship from the date of your marriage, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And you responded under oath that you didn't have any documents to that.
That's correct.
You again responded to an interrogatory. You updated those responses on May 30th, 2023?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And you actually sent those directly to opposing counsel in the divorce?
Yes, ma'am. I think so.
But in that one, you answered none again to that question, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So May 30th, 2023, you said that you didn't have any documents showing any purchase of anything with someone that you had a romantic relationship with.
I believe the interrogatory was gifts.
Okay.
Not anything, gifts.
And I have it if you want to take a look. I'm going to mark, okay, so just for the record, I've got your complaint for divorce marked as number 2. I've got the verification and the interrogatories from 2021. I'm going to mark those as 3. And then your May 30th, 2023, I'm going to mark as 4. Judge, may I approach the witness?
You may.
Thank you. That is what I marked as 4. This is what I marked as 3. Okay. Thank you, Judge. All right. If you would take a look at what I marked as 2, 3, and 4. Just see if you recognize those.
I do.
And are those, that's your divorce complaint? And then your 2021 interrogatory and your 2023 interrogatory, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are they a fair and accurate representation of what is filed in that case?
Yes, ma'am.
I'd move to admit those into evidence.
And this is 2, 3, and 4?
It's 2, 3, and 4, yes.
All right. Any objection from the state?
The divorce, I don't think it's on the district.
I have no objection to 3 and 4, and subject to Ms. Merchant's representation that 2 is a filing of divorce. I just don't, the divorce complaint, I don't have that in front of me, but subject to that representation, no objection.
All right. And by show of hands, any objection from other defense counsel? Seeing none, defendants 2, 3, and 4. This should be Romans, well, we'll just call them 2, 3, and 4, admitted without objection.
So that interrogatory that you filed in 2023, that's the one where you said no, that you didn't have any documents relating to the purchase of gifts, that you had a romantic relationship with someone, right?
Which interrogatory are we talking
Number 4, 2023.
Which number in the interrogatory?
Number 4.
So, which number interrogatory are you referring to?
It's Defendant's Exhibit number 4.
I have Defendant's Exhibit 4 here.
Uh-huh.
Which number interrogatory are we referring to?
Oh, which number out of the questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Hold on. It is number 20, 24, 25, 26, basically. All of those.
Have a number 24. Do you point me to what you're looking at? No, which was it?
Oh, this one. It's supposed to be number. I guess they're all numbered 1, so. Number one again, and then the third number 1.
That's your page number or something.
You didn't put page numbers on.
You didn't put any on the file, but
I don't know how to tell you what number 1, because when you responded, you put number 1 on all of them.
You
So
just point to it.
this one. This one, I'm talking about this number 1, where it's tabbed. There's 2 number 1s that are tabbed.
Okay.
And there's no page number, but it is the second page.
All right.
We're watching Nathan Wade, a special prosecutor in the Georgia election interference case against former President Trump and a number of co-defendants, testing in a hearing about potential prosecutorial misconduct by the district attorney, Fani Willis, about her relationship with Mr. Wade. So Mr. Wade just took the stand and is being asked a number of questions regarding his divorce proceedings and gifts he may or may not have bought for a romantic partner.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.